Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2. So the question is, discuss the initiatives taken by the government for their mitigation. So it is a 10 marks question. So according to Global Hunger Index 2024, with a score of 27.3, India ranks at 105th out of 127 countries, which highlights a serious hunger crisis driven by ongoing challenges of food insecurity and malnutrition. So this is the data about the Global Hunger Index. Now, India's Global Hunger Index breakdown is around 2.9% of the children mortality is present in India, highest child wasting rate globally at 18.7%, 13.7% of the population suffers from undernourishment, 35.5% of children under 5 are stunted, and prevalence of malnutrition according to National Family Health Survey 5 is around 32.1% population is underweight, around 3% population is overweight, around 57% women are anemic in the age group of 15 to 49 years, around 25% men are anemic, and 67.1% children are anemic. So this is the data which shows the scenario of the hunger and malnutrition prevalent in our country. Now the initiatives taken by the government to tackle the hunger and the malnutrition are, number one is, these are some of the schemes. Number one is Poshan Abhiyan, that is National Nutrition Mission. It was launched in 2018. It targets reductions in stunting, wasting, anemia and low birth weight, and it aims for annual reduction of 2 to 3% over 3 years. Then another scheme is Midday Meal Scheme, that is PM Poshan. It provides nutritious meals to school children up to the class 8th. Then next is Integrated Child Development Services Scheme. Under this, it provides supplementary nutrition, health checkups, immunization, and preschool education to children under 6 and pregnant and lactating women via Anganwadi centers. Then next is National Food Security Act 2013. It ensures access to subsidized food grains to over 75% of the rural and 50% of the urban population, which covers around 2/3 of the total population of our country. Then next is Anemia Mukt Bharat. It targets the reduction of anemia through iron supplementation, deworming and awareness, then rice fortification initiatives. So these are some of the initiatives that have been taken by the government for the tackling the hunger and malnutrition present in our country. Thank you and keep watching my videos.